Can you call me at 5? Really? It's nice to meet you. Really? What are you thinking about? How are you doing? I like football, basketball, tennis, and golf. I left work, came home, and had dinner. Do you want the blue one or the black one? Is his name Matthew or Michael? I need to talk to you. Black and white. Let's go for a walk. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. I call you as soon as I can. I'm leaving on Monday or Tuesday. Can I come in? Yes, come on in. The door is open. She's single and she's so happy. She's single and she's so happy. I'm married and I'm miserable. Pop music. Good book. Good book. Laughs. Books. Seats. Plays. Eyes. Pens. Watches. Roses. Buzzes. Stopped. Cooked. Watched. Loved. Played. Bored. Wanted. Needed. Crowded.